We are doing our second month of undermining. This is Sips of Sanity.
Educating about undermining.
Oh, yes, I don't plan to sit here and undermine you.
Yes.
So if you like today's show or you think undermining, who the hell is undermining me? And what does undermining even freaking look like so that I can identify it? Or shit, I think I might be undermining somebody. I feel insecure, or I feel jealous, or I'm trying to get ahead and I feel I'm being cutthroat because I think that's what I'm supposed to be doing to be a good business person. But is it actually that I'm undermining other people and their own progress to get ahead for myself? Check the series out so that you are not a verbal abuser. Because undermining is a form of verbal abuse, and it could be something that you're doing with no intention of doing it.
Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month on patreon.com/the Sarlos.